Breads for a diabetes-friendly diet. Do you love eating bread? If you answered yes to that question, then this information is for you. Did you know eating bread can hinder blood glucose levels in diabetics? The reason is many types of bread may cause blood glucose to rise because they are laden with sugar and carbohydrates. Fortunately, there are breads that contribute high amounts of dietary fiber to the body while not drastically raising glucose levels. And according to the American Diabetics Association, breads that contain high amounts of fiber help to keep glucose levels from spiking after consumption. So let's learn more about a few of the different types of diabetic-friendly breads. However, before you make a change to your diet, consult your healthcare provider or licensed dietitian. Pumpernickel. Pumpernickel bread is low on the glycemic index with a ranking of only 51 and is dark brown in color. This type of bread traces its roots back to Germany. You see, during the Middle Ages, it was used to feed the poor and hungry of the country. It has been made and is made from rye flour and rye meal. Pumpernickel is a whole grain bread delivering 1 gram of fat and 15 grams of carbohydrates for 1 ounce serving. Sourdough. Similar to pumpernickel, sourdough bread ranks low on a glycemic index with a score of 52. In addition, 1 ounce of sourdough bread delivers just 1 gram of fat and 20 grams of carbohydrates. And according to the University of Wisconsin Hospital and Clinics, sourdough bread is one of the more favorable options for diabetics. Wholegrain and Stoneground wheat. Finally, let's learn the difference between wholegrain and Stoneground wheat. Wholegrain delivers a considerable amount of fiber and is usually lower in fats when compared to other white bread. However, for those diabetics concerned about controlling blood sugar spikes, consider ground bread or Stoneground bread. According to the American Diabetes Association, whole grain ranks between 56 and 69 on a glycemic index, while Stoneground bread usually ranks below 55 on the scale. And those looking for a combination of great taste and controlling blood glucose spiking, Stoneground bread is the way to go. Adding delicious toppings to your bread. Now that we have a great choice and understanding of the different type of breads for diabetics, let's take a look at some delicious toppings that you can add to your bread to make it a great meal and a great treat. Check out our selection of no added sugar jellies and fruit butters. Traverse Bay Farms, we offer a complete selection of no added sugar using fruit juice concentrates only. And our no added sugar varieties include no added sugar red raspberry, no added sugar strawberry jam, no added sugar peach jam, and no added sugar cherry jam. In addition, we have no added sugar apple butter. And all of these are an ideal choice for those looking to reduce their intake of sugar while adding great taste to a meal or a snack. So to learn more about the no sugar added jams, jellies, and fruit butters, check out traversebayfarms.com.